Hey guys, finally this certificate took me 1600 days almost to achieve it. So finally I passed 100k phase 1. So guys, I am Mahi, a day trader. In this video I will explain myself, and in this video I will explain about the struggle I face and mindset psychology, and main important part of this video is my strategy. I will explain my strategy also in this video, and final part is what's next, so don't miss this what's next. So in this I will explain about my future plans and many things. So let's start the video, and before the starting the video, please like this video guys and subscribe, because it motivates me to create more videos like this. Okay, a few months back I was sitting in front of a red screen guys. My hands are shaking because I lost all my funding and funded accounts, and I have some personal account also, but with revenge trading I lost my personal account capital also. After that I don't know what to do. I think I want to stop the trading, and I have skill but I am unable to control my mind. I am unable to control my emotions. I always do after one loss revenge trading. I don't know, I have 100% skill, I have self belief that, but emotionally I am unstable. I don't know what to do. In that time I am doing futures trading, because in that time I am not interested in forex, so I am interested in future trading because it will get fast payouts so easily. If I pass 4 or 5 trades I will get payout. So like that I decided, but 1 year continuous failure in futures trading. In between that I received like 1 or 2 payouts, but I am unable to control my mind. So finally but I received my payout from lucid trading around I think May month, $700, and after that $700 I received in my wallet. Then I purchased one by one after one account. So I purchased almost 5 accounts. I lost almost all 5 accounts. Finally I left with $200, and then I decided to stop the trading, not overall trading. I decided to stop future trading because it is very tough to receive payout, because I am very aggressive. So that way it is taking too much emotions from me. So that way I stopped the futures trading and I shifted to forex trading. So I taken that in funding bips I have taken 50k challenge with that $200. So finally I have passed a 50k funding account, and recently I uploaded the video also about that phase 1 phase 2 and funding payout video. And finally after that receiving that funding payout I taken another 100k challenge. So now I will show this. So this is my funding bips 100k account guys. So you can see here 100k account, and whenever I started this 100k phase 1 journey, so I started at July 29. See, July 29 I started this journey, and almost I got 1% in that day. And after June 30, yes, June 30, I almost lost 5% in this account. I almost 5% in this account. In the starting of the day I lost 2%. After that I done revenge trading. Yes guys, I am very real with you. I done revenge trading and I lost almost 5%. Then I decided this is not the correct way to deal with these accounts. Then I stopped revenge trading, and after that next day I got another $38. Like that I slowly recovered and I completed my phase 1 journey, phase 1. So finally phase 1 is completed, 100k, and I got my phase 2 account also. So I have to do phase 2 now, and I have another 100k also guys. See here, this is 100% win rate in this account. See, where is, yes, this is the account. See guys, see I only taken 3 trades. No, I only traded 3 days. So almost every trade is a win. One first trade, second trade, and almost this one break even and one win. So almost I got 6,000 profit, 6% I already gained in this account. If I get another 2%, I will pass another 200k account also. So I am planning to take another 100k also today or tomorrow. So I will take another 100k and I will manage these 300k, and I have one funded account. See here, 150k funded account. Where is this? Yes, this is the 150k account. And finally guys, many guys think I have good strategy, so that way I have passed the 100k challenge, but that is not wrong. Good strategy does not build the accounts, it will destroy you if you do not have good mindset. So in trading, 80% is psychology, discipline, following the rules only matters. If you not follow the rules, if you have 90% win rate strategy also, you will fail. So maintain good psychology and follow your rules, respect your strategy, respect your setups. So, and finally, and next part is my strategy. So now I will explain my simple strategy. I have 1:1 strategy guys. So many guys think we need 1:2, 1:3 strategy, but it is no need, because I have 1:1 strategy with the highest win rate. So see, my strategy is very simple. So when there is a trend, right, every time market move like uptrend or downtrend. This is uptrend guys, and I will draw one downtrend also. Wait. So I will explain my strategy. It is very simple. I have only two setups. So this is a downtrend. Okay. So whenever it moves like up and down, so I will take the trade. So for taking the trade, I need some confirmations. So now I will explain that confirmations. So first confirmation is when the market is in uptrend, it will create lower low, right? So lower low. After that, it will create one bullish candle like this. So after creating bullish candle like this, the next candle want to make first wick. Then after that, it will move like this. Whenever it breaks previous candle high, then I will take entry, and my stop loss would be here, and my TP is here 1:1. Okay, this is my uptrend strategy. So whenever trend is in up, we need one support like this. After that, next candle we need 1 wick, and then it want to break previous candle high. Then we will take entry and stop loss, profit we will place. Same like downtrend. Now I will explain downtrend. This is a downtrend, and same like here also we need one resistance here. So where is the red icon not coming guys? I don't know. Okay, so see, now I will explain. Here one resistance want to form. Okay, one resistance. So one resistance after forming, then next candle we need one top wick. Then whenever it breaks previous candle low, then I will enter here. My target is 1:1. Stop loss is present candle low or previous candle low. We have two stop losses. Your wish, you can place there. So this is my simple strategy. In this strategy, there is many things, guys. So here ranges, zones, which time we want to take, and setup. So guys, if you need a full strategy video with all these parts, ranges, zone, which time we need to take, setups, all setups. So I need this video 1000 likes or complete 1000 subscribers. So I will do my full strategy video in entire one video. Then you will clear all your doubts. If you have any doubts, so Telegram group is in description. You can join and ask there. And next topic is what's my future plan. So my future plan is simple. I need to make more funding, and I want to take more payouts. That is my plan. So that's it guys, this video. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Thanks for watching.